This video will walk users through the creation and publication of a course offering to the Learner Pathways System catalog. For the purposes of this video, we will be acting as MacEwan University to create a Chemistry 1001 offering. The first step is to sign into your TCES application via SciAMS. Once in the TCES, you will land on the dashboard page. From here, navigate down the left-hand menu to the Search section and select the Offerings tab. The Offerings page will default to Course Offerings. Select your institution from the drop-down. Again, we are creating an offering in this demonstration as if we were MacEwan University. Once you have selected your institution, the New Course box will display. Select New Course. Selecting New Course opens up a fillable form containing all of the fields that are populated in the CSV files used when validating and publishing a course offering via DCAR. Information related to each of the data fields can be found in the Course File Format Guide available from the Learner Pathways System page of the ACAT website. All course records require a unique institution course ID to be published to the LPS catalog. The Create Course form generates a globally unique ID which can be used, or institutions may apply an ID of their own creation. The Validate Institution Course ID adjacent to the field allows a user to check whether the ID they are applying does not already exist in their catalog data. IDs can be a combination of alpha and numeric characters. Here we will apply Chem 1001. Here the user enters the offerings course code CHEM. Number. Here the user enters the course offering number 1001. Title. Here the user enters the course offering title. Introduction to Chemistry. Instruction type. This field is used to describe the type of instruction for the course offering. In this example, we will enter 40 hours lecture. Instructor qualifications. Here the user enters the instructor qualifications. This field is intended to capture the minimum instructor qualifications for the delivery of the course offering, not the current instructor qualifications. Here we will identify instructor qualifications of Masters in a related discipline. Credit value. Here a user enters the course credit value. We will select 3. Credit type. The credit type is system reference data maintained by the ACAT Secretariat. Currently, there is only one credit type available to select. The user would select credit. Credentials. Credentials are also reference data maintained by the ACAT Secretariat. Users can scroll through the credential list and select the appropriate credential to associate with their course offering. If a user determines the appropriate credential is not in the reference data, they can contact the ACAT Secretariat and request that a credential type be added. For this course offering, we will select Undergraduate Degree. Categories are also reference data with the LPS. However, this data is maintained by the post-secondary institutions themselves. Here we see a drop-down of MacEwan's categories. If the user is unable to find the category they would like to apply to their record, they can access the LPS catalog and add it to their own reference data. After the category has been added, it will display in the drop-down for selection. Here we will apply the category of chemistry. Description. Here a user enters their course description. Introductory course to chemistry. Prerequisites and co-requisites. A user can identify any course prerequisite or co-requisite course offerings required in these data fields. Outline URL. If an institution's course outlines are accessible online, they can provide a URL in this field to share that outline. Where institutions maintain their course outlines as a PDF or other file type, they can associate that outline to their course offering in the LPS catalog through the Course Outlines section. Comment. If a user would like to attach a note to a course offering for their own reference, it can be applied here. The course offering comment field does not function as a footnote in an agreement. Only comments in an agreement record act as a footnote in the search tools. Review date. A user could apply a specific review date to their course offering to schedule a future notification reminder to review the offering. If a user chooses not to apply their own review date, the LPS will apply a review date 5 years in the future from the publication date of the offering. Effective start date. A user applies the effective start date to their offering. The transfer system academic year runs from September 1 through August 31st. For this record, we will apply a start date of 2010-09-01. Effective end date. For ongoing active offerings, we have been recommending applying an end date well into the future. For this record, we will apply an end date of 2999-12-31. If you have partially completed a course offering but need to confirm information, you can save your work as a work in progress, or WIP, W-I-P. Once you have the information you require, you can return to your WIP and complete the offering. Validate and publish. Once you have completed the required fields in the form, you can validate and publish your course offering. The offering is validated against all of the same data rules applied in the DCAR uploads. Once the publication is complete, a green banner appears at the top of the page confirming its publication. A user can confirm their offering has been published in the TCES by searching for the offering they have just published. The user can click on Details and view the full details of the offering they have just published. Clicking on the blue Close button at the bottom of the form closes the Details window.